Hey guys, I got this product to review and it is absolutely adorable. The kids are gonna love it. So inside is the wooden rounds. It's got a little paint palette. There's over 400 gems to put on. How fun. Some really pretty vibrant paint, a product list, some more vibrant paints, 4 different paintbrushes so the kids can paint together or we can paint together as a family, silver and gold glitter glue, some really fun googly eyes, some twine, which is perfect because each one of the rounds has a hole in it, and then here's the glow-in-the-dark paint. I love how interactive this is. This is really fun for the kids. So these would even make as a great ornament, maybe for grandma or grandpa, because it does come with the hole in it and you can hang the twine on it to hang it around the Christmas tree. One thing about the glow-in-the-dark paint is you're going to want to allow it to have enough sunlight during the day or daytime so that it can soak up all the sunlight so that overnight these can shine brightly and glow in the dark. So as you guys can see, the paint on here comes out super vibrant. So it holds the paint really well and it looks like it won't take a long time to dry either, which is really great for the kids because they're not the most patient. Yeah, it's exciting. So now that you have your design painted, you can go ahead and add your little gems or your googly eyes or even use some fun glitter glue. Now with the paint, you can either let it dry before you do your glow-in-the-dark paint, or you can actually paint right on the wooden round. This is such a fun project and it's just going to be a great family project or for the kids to be really creative.